Welcome back to Ferocious Education, this is Ed. Today we're talking about Clover Health once more. Today I'm going to be really waiting on the technical analysis part rather than on the latest news because we've covered a good amount of news already. So let's jump right into this one. So my previous video covered this one before, it's in the description below and I have a bunch of videos on this one already. Now there's no new updates when it comes in towards actual news coming on, but we do have the May 17th will be the first quarter 2021 financial results, and from there we can start taking a look a little bit into perhaps the forecasted and estimated revenue growth. We are viewing here that 2021 estimated would have an increase in adjusted EBITDA of 9.4%. And that basically you're looking at 6 to 7% off a longer term in comparison to 2022 estimated in 2023 of around 2.6% and 1.1% respectively. And when you're looking into just the basic total revenue growth, you're looking into around 30% per year. Now, generally speaking, this gives us a little bit of an overview on what's yet to come, but I dove through that previously in the last video, specifically as well on profitability by 2023, and this earning will help us actually see a bit more of whether they're going to be able to achieve these results or not. But I do have some exciting news a little bit towards the end. Now, if we were to look into the price over book, we're looking around 1.12. SP 500 price over book, we're looking somewhere around 456. And so this one here is definitely looking undervalued on the price over book. However, price over sales is a little bit overvalued since the SP 500 price over sales is estimated to be somewhere closer towards that 3 level. Now, another thing here relating to institutional buyers. And before moving to show, if you'd like to see more contents like this, make sure to scroll down below, click that like button and subscribe button. If you'd like to join our Discord, it's totally free in the description below. But take a look into this here. Looking into Alberta Investment Management Corp, adding 150,000 shares. BlackRock, adding 2.1 million shares, almost there. Bally & Guilford, 5.1 million shares. You're seeing closer to almost more than 7 or 8 million shares being added in May alone. And just in the first week or so of May, we're still around roughly not even 1/4 in or 1/3 in. You're seeing 27,500 shares or 27,700 shares, my bad. 5.1 million, 2.1 million, 150,000 shares. These are massive numbers, and institutions are looking at this one at an interesting level at this price point. And so things are definitely looking interesting. Although we're looking into the price estimates and forecasts, you're looking at a high of 15, a medium of 14, and a low of $10. Currently, they have 2 buys, 0 outperform, and 2 holds. Let's move on towards technical analysis. On the technical analysis point of view, what we're seeing here is that the 30 EMA is above the 10 SMA, which is a bearish indicator there. Although it's clinching above the 50 SMA line above the 845. And so above there, bullish, below there, bearish. And on the ADX, we're sitting at 2406, which suggests perhaps a potential of a trend forming here. Now, on the willing percent R, it's incredibly oversold, and so in results, a correction would probably increase the price point. MACD here, you're looking at a negative reversal almost ticking in, and so we might have either an accumulation or a positive reversal backwards, but currently it's undergoing this negative reversal. Momentum is below 0 at negative 0.43. Now, if we were to look into the moving average bands, we're seeing that this one here is trading on the top at 973, in the middle 884, and in the bottom 796. The stochastic fast and stochastic slow are both looking very interesting here. They're more climbing upwards in an interesting move, but in the sense it's still almost at a lower level. And so things are looking a little bit mixed on the stochastic fast and stochastic slow. This is a reason because the Fibonacci retracement shows a significant resistance at 888. Above there, 1048. Above there, 1177. Above there, 1307, 1491, and 1725. Now on the bottom, 630 is the Fibonacci support. Now, if you were used to price line actions here, you're looking at a significant support level at 836, closer towards the 826. Below there, you're looking at 770, below there, 722. Significant resistances, 901, above there, 988 almost to the $10, and then 1057 from there on, 1093 from there on, 1169, and jumping all the way to 1310. Comes to the question to Ed, what do you think about this one? I think that we might need a bit more of accumulation period. Now, there was this more often not true news about this massive short interest on this one. Don't get me wrong, short interest is almost 40% on this one, which is still incredibly high. That means almost around 4/10 of the entire shares being floated being on the short side. That means they have to cover at some point, and they encumber short interest kind of on each of these holdings that occur almost every day. I'm talking about interest itself. And so, in a sense, I do think that this one will probably see a further push at some point. The May 17th, which is almost in 10 days, this might be, if it's good news, you might actually get a really good jump out of this one because you still have a good amount of shorts on there. Now, of course, it's not the more than 100%. That was a mistake before. I did talk about it from another video, but when we're looking into this one, there is potential for this one to still see a good nice jump with as well institutional backings of millions of shares added just today. That's massive. What do you think about this ticker? Make sure to mention down in the comments below. Share, subscribe, and like, and have a wonderful day. Now, if you made it this far into the video, I do recommend that you go ahead and join our Discord server. There's a lot of amazing folks in here. We do a lot of discussions here into the trading floor throughout the day. A lot of people are in there, and we do ask questions. You can ask me any question you would like on there. We do post research and DDs, and we hold weekly chat sessions. And we also do have a lounge in there. So make sure to actually join that and join the fun there. Have a wonderful day and a good one.